What your favorite berry to eat at breakfast? Strawberry, blueberry, crunchberry. They in season now. Good morning. It's Tuesday, June 4, 2024. Thank you for spending time with Unka. Now, hear your Cincinnati weather report. We go to weather window. La 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 la. Look out here. Say hello to owl. Hello. Oh, monkey, I mean. And there's owl. Okay, hello, owl. And come back and say that right now it be 65 degrees at weather window and foggy. It also be 18.33 centigrade. This Tuesday, me listen to song Bulletproof Heart by new wave band Fingerprintz. Can you believe it released in 1980? Oh, yeah. Cloudy in morning, possible thunderstorms in afternoon. High 86 degrees, 60% chance of rain. Low 68 tonight. Me hope your berries taste good with breakfast. You have a good day. Me go find those raspberries. He no talk about raspberries anymore.